I sing this song to you for dreams that can come true, and for each day to bring a greater song to sing. My birthday wish for you comes deep from ocean's blue, love sent from heaven's light to celebrate your life with you.
Whose birthday is it?
Mama, stand up.
Okay. Say happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
We love you.
We love you.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, give a flying kiss.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Nana.
Nana. Happy birthday to you.
Will you share blue ice cream with him?
Yeah.
Lots or little?
Little.
Little bit. Blue and pink or just blue?
This pink.
Just pink. But he likes blue.
You too.
So can you share blue with him or pink?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello Anand Pupa, I wish you a very happy birthday. I miss you and I hope we meet soon.
Special toast to Special Pandeyji on his 50th birthday. Cheers, enjoy.
Hi Guru Bhaiya, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Hope you have a blast and let the good times roll. Cheers.
Happy birthday Anand Bhupaji. Hoping to see you soon. I've heard a lot about you. Hey Bhupaji, happy birthday. It's been a pleasure to have known you, and your sense of humor is something I really admire.
Hi Anand Bhaiya, this is wishing you a very happy birthday. I look forward to seeing your calm, reassuring presence and your subtle sense of humor for the next 50 years and beyond. Have a great day. This is from Shreya, Shiv and I, and we look forward to seeing you soon in New York.
Good
Bye.
human being, a very good son, and he knows how to keep relationship with everybody. Whenever he comes to Delhi, even if he is busy with meetings, he definitely gives a call, and he keeps in touch with everybody, which is very commendable. And I wish him, I bless him, and I wish him that all his desires should be fulfilled in the life, and he should have a very long and healthy life. And I wish him a very happy birthday on his 50th birthday.
हाय आनंद, हाउ आर यू? आपकी उम्र में 1 वर्ष और जुड़ गया। ईश्वर करे आप इसी तरह तरक्की करते रहें और आगे बढ़ते रहें। आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत शुभकामनाएं। हैव फन, हैव अ ग्रेट डे, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे गुड्डू भैया,
हैप्पी बर्थडे गुड्डू भैया, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर गुड्डू भैया, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। Guddu Bhaiya, thanks for being there for us. We don't have a brother, but you always were there to fill his place. Thanks a lot, and may you have a long and a wonderful year ahead.
Thank you Bhaiya.
Thank you Bhaiya. Thanks
Have a great year ahead.
Great year ahead. Bye. Take
Bye,
care.
bye.
May you get all the
Thank you.
happiness in life. Pranam to Bua.
To the most fantastic, incredible, funny, thoughtful, and always young at heart brother. You are very caring, and we always appreciate having you in our lives to guide us. And we wish you a very happy birthday, and wish we were there to celebrate it with you.
Fantastic,
Love.
fabulous 50th birthday. Hope you have 100 times the fun and laughter. May all your dreams come true. Wishing you continued success and all the happiness there is. Sharad and Siddharth also send birthday wishes to a wonderful you. Welcome to the Golden Club. And remember Anand, 50 is the new 30. Love you. See you soon. Bye.
Hi. Anand is one of the most benevolent characters I have come across in my life. He is humble, down to earth and pious. He is always willing to help anyone in whatever capacity he can. He has a very good sense of humor, though he can be caustic at times, mind you. His long-term ambition, though, is to lord over Om Group of companies at Bhopal, chuck the sons out of Om Auto and Sons with connivance of his favorite Om Bua. Anand, have a great birthday and a fantastic 50th year. We all pray for you. All our love, blessings, everything is with you. We all love you for what you are. A simple, great soul. All the best.
आनंद, तुम्हें अपने 50वें वर्षगांठ की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। तुम्हारे बारे में बहुत से लोग बहुत कुछ कह चुके हैं। मैं सिर्फ एक बात कहना चाहूँगा कि तुम इस युग के श्रवण कुमार हो। बहुत कम लोगों को ऐसा पुत्र मिलता है। भगवान करे तुम्हारी बहुत अच्छी लंबी उम्र रहे, स्वस्थ रहो, सफल रहो, सकुशल रहो, और टेटको के द्वार तुम्हारे लिए हमेशा खुले हुए, जब चाहे आ सकते।
हेलो आनंद, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
आनंद, तुम्हारे 50वें जन्मदिन पर तुमको बहुत बहुत हमारी शुभकामनाएं हैं और हमारी कामना है कि तुम बिल्कुल तुम्हारा स्वस्थ, सुंदर, सुखी, दीर्घ जीवन रहे। और साथ में हम तुम्हारी माँ को भी बधाई देते हैं तुम्हारे 50वें जन्मदिन पर, और तुम्हारी सुंदर सी पत्नी को भी, तनु को। और हम बस यही चाहते, तुमको पता है कि हम तुम्हारे प्रति, हम और फूफा जी तुम्हारे प्रति जो भावना रखते हैं, हम बोल तो सकते नहीं, एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं। तुम कुछ समझते हो, जानते हो, गुड्डू, और बस हमेशा ऐसे ही बाल हृदय अपना रखना, कभी बदलना नहीं, और जुग जुग जियो, बताशे खाओ। ओम बुआ और फूफा जी की तरफ से अनेक शुभकामनाएं।
हैप्पी बर्थडे आनंद। ओम ऑटो सन्स चाहिए तो माँ तुमको, आपको रादर गिफ्ट कर देंगे आपके 50th बर्थडे में, जल्दी आ जाओ।
ओम ऑटो एंड सन्स अगर हुआ तो।
Hi Anand Mosa, happy 50th birthday. I think my message would be perhaps the last one which trickles in on this family group, but here goes. Happy 50th birthday. I don't think anybody in the family has the dubious distinction of intimidating me as much by saying so little as you do. So congratulations on that note. I think you're extremely sweet, very, very polite, but I've always feared that there is a lot that simmers under the surface, and I have never necessarily had the courage to find out what that is. But all jokes aside, I have really, really enjoyed the time that I've spent with you, your company, particularly your very, very subtle grilling sessions. I've had some great times with you in Singapore as well. And I think the parts that I remember the most vividly is the time when you would come to Allahabad and spend, a few precious days of winter with us, wherein all you ever wanted was to give up and renounce your very, very well-paying and high-flying job. That was the envy of everybody in the family, and retire and settle down in Varanasi in a hut with only Satya Prakash and Munnu for company. So I think that's the part that sticks out when I think about you. And I know I can say this on video, but I think I wouldn't have the guts to say this to you in person. I can't believe it's your 50th birthday, because the kind of old soul that you are, I thought you'd already crossed that threshold. But anyway, happy birthday.
Anand, happy birthday to you.
कैसे हैं आप? आज आप अपने जीवन के स्वर्णिम वर्ष में प्रवेश करने जा रहे हैं। इस शुभ अवसर पर हम सभी की तरफ से आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं।
बर्थडे आनंद, ये तो हमारे लिए तीसरे बेटे के बराबर है। जितनी भी तारीफ की जाए वो बहुत कम है। ये सबके लिए इनके मन में इतनी दया और उदार है, ये सब लोग इनकी तारीफ करते हुए नहीं सकते। अपने परिवार वालों का और यहाँ वालों सभी का ये बराबर ध्यान रखते हैं और ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना है कि इनको खूब अच्छा स्वास्थ्य दे, उन्नति करे और ये जहाँ रहें खूब सुखी रहें, दीर्घायु रहें, यही कामना है।
Hi Anand, here's wishing you a very happy golden birthday. May God bless you with a long, healthy and happy life along with your glamorous wife. And it's been a very remarkable journey for you. You've been a dutiful father, husband and a dutiful son. And all in all, I give you full 5-star rating. You've been an extremely wonderful person.
Hi Anand Poopa, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Hope you have a wonderful day and many wonderful years ahead. You have been such a great inspiration for us with your hospitality, selflessness and caring nature. And thank you so much for the wonderful time we had in Singapore and for the fantastic meals we had in London. But we still owe you a home-cooked meal, so hope to see you soon in London. Bye.
Happy birthday. 50th is an important landmark. I hope the coming few years are as interesting as they have been for you. Keep up your sense of humor. It's a very unique facet of your personality. I think it sets you apart. I love your sense of humor. Happy
Anand,
birthday.
Amma and Suman joins me in wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. Have a fabulous day and a fantastic year ahead. Everybody has said such beautiful and wonderful things about you. Nothing is left for me to say. Only thing I want to say, we are fortunate enough to have you in our family. God bless you with good health, wealth and happiness.
Hi, Anand here. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. And this is the perfect moment to tell you how much we love you and how you've always been there for us. Have a great time and wishing you again a great happy birthday.
Alright, my turn. Happy birthday. It's Monday morning, work time, so I can only toast you in tea. So great health, prosperity and happiness for many, many years to come.
Wish
Cheers.
you a very, very happy birthday. You are such a gentleman. I've always admired you for what you are. You're a combination of Shravan Kumar and Maryada Purushottam Ram minus his flaws. You're such a caring husband, lovely son, lovely father to a lovely daughter and such a hospitable person. We all love you for what you are, such a kind person.
Happy birthday, Anand. There must be some truth in the adage that good things come in small packages. I think one cannot but give you credit for the way you've endeared yourself to the larger family and your immediate family members. You've been an exceptional son, an exceptional brother, and I'm sure a good friend to many. Have a great, great year. This is maybe half the journey done, and may the other half be even better. All the best. Good luck. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Anand. What's wishing you a 50th birthday without your customary laptop and working all the time? You know you're precious, so put this laptop away and just celebrate. Blow those candles out, go sing a song and smile. We all love you. Remember that. You're special, precious, gorgeous, loving, adorable, and I want to give you a big hug. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anand. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 50th birthday, Anupupa. And I'm going to start out with something very cliche that you've probably heard a lot by now, in that you're a huge inspiration to me. And in many ways, you're the husband that the rest of us have to live up to. The only cop-out we have is the he's from another generation card, which we play a lot of. But there's so much to admire about you with your obvious success, your lovely family, and the exotic places that you lived and worked. But more than all that, it's your character that I admire. The fact that you're so generous and giving that you're the new Mr. Moneybags for us, if you get my reference. And you've got a great sense of humor, you're always down to earth in spite of all your success. And in the 20 odd years I've known you, I've never seen you angry or disrespectful with anyone. So half century well played, and with a big heart like yours, I know that 50 is only the beginning and you've got many, many wonderful years ahead of you. Happy birthday again with love and
Hi Anand, how are you? Wishing you a very happy birthday from Chicago. You are halfway there. Hope the next half century brings you as much happiness as the first half.
आनंद हैप्पी बर्थडे प्यार सहित बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आशीर्वाद सदा सुखी रहो
And Baba is also wishing you a very happy birthday from heaven. Enjoy and have a great time.
Fantastic, fabulous 50th birthday. Hope you have 100 times the fun and laughter. May all your dreams come true. Wishing you continued success and all the happiness there is. Sharad and Siddharth also send birthday wishes to a wonderful, wonderful you. Welcome to the Golden Club. And remember, Anand, 50 is the new 30. Love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday,
Bye.
Anand Fufaji. May the coming year be filled with a lot of joy, success, and good health for you. Let me tell you one thing. Even before I'd met you, I'd heard so much about you from my darling wife. What a heroic husband of a legendary Bua you are. And when I met you in person, I realized that you had really raised the standard for being a son-in-law in this family. I also truly cherish the times we spent together, and I'm not saying this because you're the finest scotch in the world, but from the bottom of my heart. Wish you a very happy, prosperous 50th
Hi Anand
birthday.
Pupa, happy 50th birthday. Okay, so there's so much that I want to wish you and I want to say to you, but this video is too tiny for me to contain it. So I'll just quickly wrap this up. Okay, you're one gem of a person and we totally love you. We're glad that you've been part of our lives and you'll continue to do so. You're extremely witty, adorably charming is what I want to say, and you're completely adorable. We love you so much. You're also the only person I know who likes water on the rocks. So if it's summer or winter, rainy season, whatever, you will order one nice cold water with 3 cubes of ice, please. And that never gets old. Okay, so when it comes to career advice or any advice per se, you're the first one that comes to my mind, and I'll keep pestering you for the rest of your life for this. And that's about it. Have a fantabulous 50th birthday. Love you loads.
Anand, happy birthday to you.
कैसे हैं आप? आज आप अपने जीवन के स्वर्णिम वर्ष में प्रवेश करने जा रहे हैं। इस शुभ अवसर पर हम सभी की तरफ से आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं।
Hello Anand, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Anand Fufaji. May the coming year be filled with a lot of joy, success, and good health for you. Let me tell you one thing. Even before I'd met you, I'd heard so much about you from my darling wife. What a heroic husband of a legendary Bua you are. And when I met you in person, I realized that you had really raised the standard for being a son-in-law in this family. I also truly cherish the times we spent together, and I'm not saying this because you're the finest scotch in the world, but from the bottom of my heart. Wish you a very happy, prosperous 50th.
Hi, I'm Mosa. I'm so excited to be recording this message for you today. I can almost visualize that excited, childlike smile on your face as you listen to all of these flattering, though very true messages about yourself. My most prominent memories of you go back to the time when we moved to Bangalore and we became neighbors in Adarsh Vista. And those were fabulous times, and I have some very fond memories of, our long brunches at the Bangalore Club, wherein you ordered the entire menu for us, and those lovely parties that you threw at your house, and wherein you played the perfect host to the people you liked, of course. And I really miss that now that you've moved to Singapore. One other thing that I wanted to say today was that, there's a lot of talk in our Khandan about how Tanu Mosi grows younger with every passing year, which is not to be debated at all, of course. But what I wanted to say was that I'm so impressed that in the past year or so, how you've reinvented yourself and you've lost so much weight, you're looking so much healthier and fitter. And to prove my point, I actually came up with this. I wanted to share this with you. This was taken about a decade and a half back at Bhopal. And need I say any more? You're looking a decade and a half younger than you were at this point in time. And I think that's a great way moving into the 50s. So keep up the good work and wish you a fabulous 50th birthday and loads of very healthy and happy ones to come.
Hi Anand Mosa, wish you a very happy 50th birthday.
I'm currently in a village outside Dehradun, and you can see the beautiful countryside around me. My earliest memories of you, Anand Mosa, are at the time of Grindlays Court in Bandra West, where I used to crash so very often. And you and Tanu Mosi were the only people I could think of calling in the middle of the night at 1 a.m. when Ma and Papa went out partying. Anand Mosa, do you remember the time when you told me to smuggle the Phantom comics out of Allahabad for you, and actually managed to do that? And I got a really cool Omega watch from you from China, which was my most prized possession at that point of time. So keep showering the blessings on me, Anand Mosa, and wish you a very healthy life ahead.
Happy birthday, Baba.
A very happy birthday to you, Anand. आनंद, सब लोगों ने इतनी सारी बातें तुम्हारे बारे में कही हैं कि कुछ बचा तो है नहीं खास कहने को, पर हम जो सबसे ज्यादा हमें जो बात याद रहती है वो ये है कि जब पहली बार तुमसे मिले थे हमको तो तुम्हारे जोक समझ में ही नहीं आते थे। तुम कुछ कह जाते थे सूखे से मुंह से और मुझे बहुत टाइम लगता था समझने को। तो ये आज तक मेरी मजाक बनाते, कहते आनंद की जोक समझने को हार्वर्ड की ट्रेनिंग लगती है। सही बात है, तुम्हारे जैसे तो बढ़िया विटी जोक्स तो कोई मैंने कहीं सुने ही नहीं है, और तुम्हारा मुंह देख के तो लगता भी नहीं कि तुमने कुछ ऐसी बात कही है। थोड़ा समय देना पड़ता है तुम्हारे जोक समझने को। तुम इतने अच्छे इंसान हो, तुम सबके लिए इतना केयर करते हो। भगवान से यही दुआ है कि बहुत 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 अच्छी जिंदगी मिले तुम्हें। बीवी तो बहुत अच्छी मिली गई है।
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you.
Who are you singing for, Vasu?
Bless you.
Who are you singing for?
I am Pupazi.
Okay. And what is that behind you?
One little paper.
What have you written on it?
I've written I am Pupazi's birthday.
Okay. You want to give a message for him?
Yes, please.
What is it? What's the message?
I want to say the message of Gopi Maya.
Gopi Maya? What is the message? Just say happy birthday. That's what you should say. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Anand Pupaji.
आनंद, तुम्हें तुम्हारे आने वाले 51st बर्थडे की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। 51st इसलिए क्योंकि जिस दिन तुम पैदा हुए थे वो तुम्हारा पहला जन्मदिन था। इन 50 सालों में तुमने कड़ी मेहनत की, खूब नाम कमाया और खूब तरक्की की। इस पूरी तरक्की का श्रेय मैं तनु को देना चाहूंगा। वो इसलिए कि तुम तनु को बहुत चाहते हो, उसकी हर मांगी हुई चीज पूरी करते हो। जैसे उसने कीमती सामान घुमाया तो तुम उसको लाके देते हो। उसने अपने कुत्ते को पेनांग से बुलवाया तो तुम 2.5 लाख रुपए खर्चा करते हो। उसने 7,000 स्क्वायर फीट का बेंगलोर में फ्लैट मांगा तो 2,000 स्क्वायर फीट जो तुम चाहते थे उसकी जगह 7,000 स्क्वायर फीट का फ्लैट दिया। ये भी तुम्हारी तनु की प्रति आस्था बताती है। और इसके लिए तुम्हें बहुत कमाना पड़ता है, बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ता है और तरक्की करना पड़ता है। तो अब तुम समझ रहे हो मैं क्यों तुम्हें तुम्हारी तरक्की का श्रेय तनु को देना चाहता हूं। तनु ने कहा था कि सब तुम्हारे बर्थडे में तुम्हारे लिए तारीफ करें, बहुत मीठा मीठा बोले। इसलिए सब लोगों ने तुम्हारी इतनी तारीफ की और इतना मीठा बोला कि अपनी शुगर लेवल सबने नॉर्मल कर दी और तुम्हारी शुगर लेवल बढ़ा दी। मैंने भी बहुत सोचा कि तुम्हारी तारीफ करूं, लेकिन मुझे तुम्हारी तारीफ करने के लिए कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या करूं। लेकिन तुम में कुछ तो चीज है जो दिल को छू जाती है। इसलिए तुम्हें याद होगा कि मैंने तुमसे एक बार कहा था कि तुम कनिका के लिए एक अच्छा लड़का देखो। तो तुमने कहा था कि आपको किस तरीके का लड़का चाहिए। तो मैंने कहा था तुमसे कि लड़का या तो तुम्हारे जैसा या दीपक जैसा। अब तुम फिर फूल गए, फिर तुम्हारी शुगर बढ़ गई। तुमने आज तक ये नहीं पूछा कि मैंने ऐसा क्यों कहा। मैंने इसलिए कहा था कि हमारे घर की लड़कियों की अथॉरिटी एब्सोल्युटली मानने की ये मादा तुम में और दीपम में है। तुम्हारी तो मैंने किस्सा पहले बता दिया। दीपम का अभी नहीं बोलूंगा, ये ओकेजन नहीं है। जिस दिन दीपम की 50th बर्थडे होगा उस समय बता दूंगा। ये सब चीज तो मैंने तुमसे नेचुरली कह दी, और जो अननेचुरली कहना चाहता हूं वो बता देता हूं। यू आर द मोस्ट प्रेशियस गिफ्ट to the our family by the Almighty, to be treasured by us for all times to come.
Hi Gudu, happy birthday. I don't believe you're turning 50. I'm sure Tanu's conned us into believing this. You don't look a year more than 20. I love your company, love being with you. I wish you would come to Delhi more often and you could have more fun. I love your one-liners. You're always so witty. And I'm wishing you all success in life. And last but not least, behind every successful man, always remember there's a woman. So in your life, it's Tanu. So here's to the two of you. Lots of happiness, peace, and a very, very happy birthday. Love you.
से आनंद,
च से चाचा,
प से प्यारे, ह से हैं, आनंद चाचा प्यारे हैं। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Anand Chacha. Happy birthday to you. Flying to the
Marhaba from Dubai. Hi Mama. We wish we were there for the party. But anyways, here's wishing the awesomest mama in the world a very happy birthday.
So you're finally turning 50, the halfway mark to a century. Wish you an incredible 50th birthday. I have known you for a very long time, but I actually got to know you after marriage, and as the years grew, the fondness grew. And today, with full conviction, I can say that all the wishes coming to you from the entire Khandan are straight from here. You are very special, Anand. And now today, with all the trials and tribulations behind you, I hope and pray that your next 50 years are awesome. May you bask in your achievements, your awesomeness, your uniqueness, and may you have a rocking 50 years ahead. Wish you a very, very happy birthday.